In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your Roblox account to the latest version. So if you are getting this warning, Roblox upgrade, your version of Roblox is out of date, then let me show you how you can upgrade this. To upgrade this is quite simple. Just head over to Google Play Store or App Store. So I'll exit the app first and then go to Play Store here. And from Play Store, go ahead and tap on search or search here. And just type in Roblox, and here if you tap on it, you can see we have an update is available. This is the reason you are being requested to upgrade your Roblox app. So go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Roblox and then install it on your smartphone. However, if you are on iPhone, you need to go ahead and search for the app on App Store. Now once this is done, if you go ahead and tap on play or open your Roblox app, this will now have fixed your account and you should be good to go. So that's how you can upgrade your Roblox app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.